What's up guys, Garrett here with Aldan American, and today I'm going to show you the DNA of an Aldan coilover bracket. A lot of these brackets you'll see in our coilover kits, and let's check them out. These are a couple of our brackets here. These are designed, they're CNC laser cut, so it's all precision. Some of the additional steps we do is we'll do what's called slotting and tabbing. So this adds additional strength. We CNC laser cut out, the pattern here, and then we'll drop the tabs in and then machine or robotically weld our brackets. Another example here, you can see, as these are cut on the CNC laser, we design in the tabs there. So everything's all fit and finish. You can drop your coilovers in and you actually get an OEM-like fitment with many of our brackets here. So check it out for more. Check out aldanamerican.com for your direct fit bolt-in coilover kit, and thanks for checking out this video.